Hey everyone, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be going over apps. So the app section is right here, and the first app that we're going to download is going to be Printech. Now Printech is a personalization app, and not just that, you can do non-personalized products as well, but they do anything from t-shirts to humidors, barbecue sets. They do absolutely everything. So I'm going to put a link below this video so that you can download this app right into your Shopify store. So you're going to end up on a page like this. Just click the Get button. And as long as you're logged into your Shopify store, it should download directly. So this is what's going to happen. We'll walk through the process here and get this installed. Click on Install App. We'll let it do its thing here. Click on Approve Charge. It's $9.99 US per month. And now you're going to either have to create an account if you have one or log in. So let's just go through this process here really quick. Username, password, your Shopify URL there, name, owner's name. We'll just put something like that. Phone number, payment email, so you can put whatever you want here. Just like this, and click Create Account. Oh, I gotta do my username. So we will do Grandma Living and create our password. And then click Create Account. And now when we go into their dashboard here, you're gonna put in your password and sign in, and this is where it is going to take you. So you can go through the dashboard, orders, your account, integrations, and here if you click on products, you can see absolutely every product that they offer. They do a lot of cool stuff, so lots of products. So we've got that app installed, and I will see you in the next video.